op YouTube.
Wat, ek gaan julle verlaat. Julle moet lekker trade, lekker games speel, lekker wat ook al julle doen. Ek sal julle vanaand sien. Want ek
Nou
moet gaan
waar is
werk.
my dinges is nou?
Cheerios.
Check gou as ek weer
Net
live.
meneer.
Hy wys nie by my op live.
Okay, laat ek gou net op jou profiel weer ingaan. Ja, hy wys hier is live. Ja, live hardloop. Ek hoor vir braai paai in die agtergrond nou.
Okay. Guys, we might be coming down. We might be coming down. Hello everyone. Hello. Guys, I think we can be coming down. The possibility is high. Very high possibility of coming down. Cancelling this bull flag. So let's see. If it doesn't cancel it, we're going up. Hello, yellow. Hello. Think we are coming down, guys. It's going to be a sell. Guys, I think we're gonna have the red block. The red block. I'm in here. My stop loss is above this high. And my entry is over here. Which see. I'm gonna hold it a bit. I wanna target this and break. Let us go. So to put it in nicely, you guys can wait for the MSG to complete, for the block to change. Nice, Jay. No. Yeah, so this is a bull trap, guys. I've showed you guys this many a times. And if you put the MACD in on your charts, you will see that this created a lower high on the MACD than this. So that's why we're seeing this dip. Yeah, it's a bit late. Your risk to reward won't make sense. It's now 1-to-1 risk to reward, probably. So yeah, you guys can wait for the block to change. I mean, this thing can still go green, right? It can still be a green block also. We cannot say it cannot. Look at that rejection already. The MACD settings is standard. The 12, 26, and 9 period, and that's it. Can you put XM account on TradingView? No. We can't link our XM accounts to TradingView. The reason is XM has a contract with MT5. So yeah. Don't you use Kik anymore? So I'm struggling with Kik. I don't know what's going on there. Gold, gold, gold. What is it that you wanna do? I can't add more over here. But if you put it on the put your chart, your gold chart on the 1 minute, and then look at this level on the MACD, you will see on the MACD it created a very higher high. Like on the MACD, it should look something like this. So it created a high, and then that's something like this, and then something like that, and now it's coming down. So this is what it looks like on the MACD. So can you see it made a lower high, but it made a higher high over here, which means this is a divergence. Okay, so yeah, but that's on a small time frame. So this move kind of happened already. I'm gonna put my stop loss on break even now and just exit it, because it went halfway to my, well, a bit more than halfway to the TP level, but I held it. But I think I'm just going to move stop loss to break even and get out, because that is a bull trap on the 1 minute time frame. So it kind of like already did its thing where it like trapped it and then come down. Yeah, I was just typing. Here it's typing out these notes for this. No kick today, Prof. Kick doesn't want to work. I don't know why. Nee, het werk nie die beste op 1 minuut nie. Het kan op verskillende timeframes wees. Ek het dit nou maar net gesien. Elmerus, no, not everything. Just like when I made a mistake and not take profits like when I was in profit. So, but anyways. Hey, why is this the wrong way around? Not sure what you mean by that, Raptor. Yeah, I am on Twitch. There's no delay on Twitch as well. And Twitch is kind of where I stream a lot of stuff, like even when we just play games with some friends or whatnot. And there's no delay there, so I'm contemplating taking profit, yeah. We must see. Phone at 7.6 like buy and track like I wouldn't mind that, but I first needed at 4.7 between 4.750 and 4.720. Sorry, 4.760 and 4.720. Then I will also buy all the way up to there. Guys, the Twitch link is just twitch.tv to perfect. So. Yeah. I'm going to take small profits on this trade. I'm just going to leave it. There's just a lot of rejection at the downside here. Let's not wait for the MSG block to do its thing. I think this block's only maybe going to break with the stock when the stock's open. Bam. I would almost be at break even now. A little bit profit is better. They would have taken me out on break even now. Pum. I think it is ready. I think that bot is ready. We must just make the videos for you guys, like how to do the mapping and stuff. But I think it's ready. I'll confirm with Stefan now, and then I'll give it to you guys. Honestly, I still think maybe a cell block, but we are in at the top side, so yeah, can be a green block. I just knew this was a bull trap and not a bull flag. It did come down, so yeah. My overall feeling is a red block. Because I feel like we have this trend channel that we have, right? It broke it out to the downside, it gave us a pullback, and then it came for a retest. And now it's like kind of stuck on this level. So it's forming resistance over here, which means we can't see it come down. And not only that, we also have the Fibs golden zone. If we pull our Fib in from here to the bottom over here, this is also the golden zone for this move down, which means if it doesn't break above, it doesn't want to go there, and there's a high chance of coming down over here. Okay, so we have that, and then for this whole weekly move, we have a Fib golden zone over here, and this is where I'll be looking to buy gold. That's why I said I wanted between 4760 and 4720 in that area. So yeah, overall thinking down, I would like for it to get to this level, down over here, and then maybe from over here to the upside. So yeah, I think we're coming down still. I hope it makes sense to you guys, what I just showed you. Yeah, because I see people are not doing the videos, and that's why we're going live every day at 6. I went live yesterday at 6 p.m. I went live Monday, Tuesday, and yesterday. We actually did this on the live yesterday. We actually did this. So yeah, I think we're gonna see a bull run coming again soon. And I want to be part of that bull run, but I don't want to be part of it at the top, yeah. I want to be part of it from the bottom, yeah. So yeah, my trading has also really been quiet because gold left me behind. And for my long run move, I want to get in here. No, guys, I fucked myself up too much. I can't go live at 2 a.m. in the morning as well. It got so bad that I ended up in hospital. Not sleeping, just working, going live 2 a.m., not sleeping, sleeping 2 hours a day. Yeah, every Thursday we have jobless claims. But I don't think there will be a big change in data over this. I don't think we're going to see big influencing the market. I think the big movements are actually coming with stocks opening, stocks increasing, stocks is flying actually. Stock is doing very well. US 30 climbing, US 100 climbing, German 40 cash climbing. So all the stocks are very, very bullish right now. So it's going to be interesting to see what the stocks are going to do when they open in 40 minutes. Yes, I have tractor seen. I'll explain how I use the FIP with MSG once we get the breakout. Then I'll show you. So. Hey, waar's my chat? Next major news verder. Yep. Yeah. Ach, let's just be patient, guys. I tried, made a little bit. We are out. We'll just be patient together, doing nothing, staring at candles. Peace talks weer in naweek met USA en Iran. So wat se trade sit ons Vrydag aand in vir die mark toe maak? Yeah, it's still respecting it. There is it. Like, here's the break out of the uptrend, and we are just seeing consolidation right now. So yeah, it's very difficult to take a long-term trade now. Unless, you know, obviously it breaks over here, then we can look at a position. But yeah, for now, it break out of the uptrend and it's just consolidating. So yeah, very slow market, very slow market. This whole week, it's just ugh, slow. Bum. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll be right back.
starting to get back into the normal, more volatile move, but normal move. Why? Because markets adapt to every condition. Markets would adapt to high oil price. Markets would adapt to low gold price. Whatever. Market is adapting always. It's like a chameleon. That's why you need to adapt your mindset. Right. That's why you trade the price. You don't trade indicators. Price is the king. Remember this, guys. 10,000 indicators in my database. 10,000. How many do I use here? I would say only, yes, only EMAs and only ATR. That's it. I don't need anything else. Yeah, from time to time, chaos can show some divergences, but we don't need divergences, guys. Divergences are basically indicator entry. We don't need indicator entries. I don't need divergence to tell me should I go short or long. The only thing is the price. If I see 88.6 level, I know it could be a move down. If I see the 89 confluence, I know this is a bullish move, right? So yeah, we might start trading also other markets. Few, of course, I will take a look at the price behavior, but we can go in even in the 1 hour time frame, right? Because guys, sometimes, you know, guys, like for example here, look. So what do you think I would do if GBP dollar hit 1 hour EMA? I know that 4 hour is bullish. It's 21 moving average. So I would definitely go long in 1 hour. So 4 hour you can look and you trade 1 hour in the 4 hour direction. But what is the direction? Moving average shows the direction. So when you have 8 above 21 above, and both are above 89, it's a bullish trend. So you can get the entry. We are long GBP dollar. But then again, guys, let's say you were watching 1 hour time frame. You only watch 89 moving average and confluence spots. Because in 1 hour time frame, 89 moving average is the deep retracement. Right. If on 4 hours, this is like the last possible long. But in 1 hour, it's deep retracement. Right. This would be like a deep retracement. So if you trade 1 hour time frame, you don't need, guys, to watch 8 and 21, right? Only 89 and confluence spots. 4 hour requires all three moving averages, 8, 21 and 89. And of course daily is good to have because you know where the market can really look. If the market hits this level, for example, I'm just giving you an example, I would go with 3 lots here probably. You know how I'm confident, guys. You know that already. So I will make huge lots entry here. Not maybe 3, but 2 lots. Why? Because look, at one point, you have EMA 89 on daily and 4 hours. So I need to go now, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for great comments, for conversation. And I will be with you tomorrow. We have 2 trades. I will update results later on the XM community. Yeah. See you guys. Stay with the XM. Bye for now.
Ay, ay, ay. Still waiting. Guys, by the way, daai Nenad is my gunsteling fucking trader. Ek chat so nou en dan met hom. Ek het die vorige met hom te gesels. What a fucking lekker guy. Yep. Dit is hoe dit lyk. Boys, check hoe potent is hierdie view app extension. Hy reject so van die middel af van hom en aan die onderkant, checkie. Crazy, hè? We are waiting, guys. We are waiting. We are waiting. Twenty more minutes, guys. 20 minutes, and then hopefully we'll see the break. Also failing to close above the viewer extension.
Amazon, Alibaba, everybody creates his own AI chip, and so it becomes from a monopoly, it becomes much more diversified market.
Which
But
is
but
helpful.
as a whole, it's still growing. Demand is huge.
And competition in this aspect is healthy.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes.
It's not country versus country, sanction, destruction, and so. It is all of them in more or less one country. It is challenging each other to perform better. So where I started from the two sectors, information technology and semiconductors, those two have been the catalyst for the rally. Yes, banking also is good. If you look at bank ETFs, they also do perform good, but on none of them I see all-time high. And
Oh yes, there is many on all-time high.
on bank ETFs?
On banking stocks, we have many
Not
on all.
stocks, no stocks. ETFs as a basket, a sector.
I don't know.
I'm talking about because we discussed what have driven
To new all-time high, yes.
right? Yes. So there are sectors that have driven it. Banking also contributes to this.
But you still, what is puzzling me still, every ETF that you showed, it's close to all-time highs. Now other sectors are way below, and still the stock market is an all-time high. How is that?
Because Nvidia didn't drop in the whole deterioration. We didn't have like a massive drawdown, etc.
Yeah, but we are at all-time highs. Again, the stock, I mean, right? The index is an average of, and there is different weights within it. So you should have your 500 stocks. You should have at least a couple of on all-time highs and a couple below. But all those ETFs that you showed are close to all-time highs. They're not above.
I will answer you.
On average.
I will answer you with a picture. Okay? Just one moment. This is the compare.
Lekker, boring Thursday. Come on, gold, surprise us a bit, please, sir. Are we buying or selling in 20 minutes? We'll see what the stocks want to do. Stocks are very, very bullish, so it's going to be quite interesting to see what's going to happen with US 30, US 100, US 500, German 40 cash in the next 12 minutes. Finally starting, looks like we might see it break. But it's also struggling, so we'll see. Jackie boy. What moving average are you using? These are this is the VWAP. These are not my moving averages, but I like to use the 55 and the 100. Yo, back when I started trading when I started like gaining a lot of knowledge, my go-to indicators that I had on my charts was the Ichimoku Kinku. It was the 500 Bollinger Bands. It was the MACD. It was the ATR. I've never ever relied really on the RSI on its own, like, yeah. Do you guys want to see something cool, actually? Let me open. Is this the Riffs one? Yeah. It's not on this one. I'm gonna look for it and then I got it saved in one of the set files. I'll go through all my files that I saved. And yeah, it's something pretty cool. Like a cheat code you guys can use that I used to use on synthetics, but it works pretty well on financials as well. I'll just look for that set file and then with tomorrow's live, we're gonna, or Sunday, we can do it Sunday. Sunday or tomorrow if I find it today. Oh wait, yes, one we can actually we can do one manually. Alright, let's do one manually. Let me open this MT5. Okay. So, no man, not this one. Here's something cool you guys can implement as well. Hello? Yes? Yes?
Okay, I'm on my way.
Thank you. Okay, so you can go to, okay, we'll just make it clear. Let's do 1 hour. Alright, so you guys can have this on the 1 hour. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to insert, you're gonna go to indicators, you're gonna go to oscillators, and you're gonna put the RSI in, right? Now when you select the RSI, you change the levels, so here's your parameters. Then the first thing you want to do, you leave it at 14, where you're going to take the style, the color, and you make the color the same as your background. So in this case, my background is black, right? So you make it black, and then you go to levels, and you change the levels. You just double click and type 10 and 90, then you press OK. Okay. Then you're going to come to the left here. And you're going to go to, not experts, we want to go to indicators. And by indicators, you're going to select oscillators. And you're going to take the MACD, click on it, and you drag it inside of the RSI. And then you'll be left with this. You leave all the settings standard on the MACD. So when the MACD goes and touches the line on top, you want to sell gold. Can you see? If it's at the bottom, you want to buy gold. So look how nicely it gave you these two entries. And then you can come to a lower time frame. And always make sure you are zoomed out the whole way. You don't want to be zoomed in. You want to be zoomed out because you're just going to focus this. Now, the last one that was ready was on the 8th, which was last week. Look here. It gave you a sell. So MACD went to the line and you can sell gold. Here it went to the downside and you can then buy gold. Here it went to the upside, touch the top where you can sell gold. And look every time what happens. This is called the cheat code. Pretty cool, eh? This is something extra you guys can also have on your charts, like to get some proper entries. Yeah. So to do this again, let me see where's this list. I can delete it all. And we do it together from scratch. So first things first, you're going to go to inserts, you're going to go to indicators, you're going to go to oscillators, and then look for the RSI, relative strength index. The first thing you want to do by the parameters is you want to make sure the style is black. Your levels are going to be 10 and 90. You should change it to that because yours are going to be 30 and 70. Then you press OK. So now you got a naked, you see what we did? We took the insides of the RSI out. So we have a naked RSI now. So now we're going to refill that. Yeah, you see, you keep the settings the same. I'm not explaining it here. So then the MACD, you come to the left. You don't go insert again. You come to the left to indicators, like over here. You see indicators. Then you go to oscillators. And then you take the MACD and you drag it into the RSI block. Not in the chart, in the RSI block. And then you leave everything standard and you say, okay. You can change the color if you want of your main name will be pink. But anyway, it still stays the same. Now look here. This is on the 15-minute time frame. It gave us the sell over here. It gave us this buy over here. And it gave us this sell over here. Pretty awesome. If we go back more, and it gave us the buy over here when it touched. It gave us this movement down as well over here. And it gave us this sell at the tippy top over here. So pretty potent. So in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, the last 4, all eating very good profit. This is the 5th last one. Very nice buy it gave us. Very nice sell it gave us. Gave us again this buy over here and this buy over here. Gave us this sell drop over here. How many pips is this? 4852 to 4752. This is $100, guys. So look. Sell on the top it gave us. Then it gave us a buy. Oh, it gave this buy up. Which was how many pips? 5117 to 5. This is $300, guys. This move. And then it gave us another buy only again here. And it gave us this buy over here. So yeah, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last 10 trades on gold, 11 trades on gold using this on the 15-minute time frame. All was profit, not one loss. And this, my friends, is what I call the cheat code. So you guys can use this on any market as well. You add this on, you can only do this on MT5 because you're basically removing the RSI's insides and you're replacing the RSI's insides with the MACD's insides. So yeah, you like forming your own fucking indicator thing. Pretty cool, eh? Is this only for longer times? Yes. Let's see what it does on the 1 minute. I'm not sure. I'd like to use it on the 15 minute and the 5 minute. This one looks good. There's a sell there. There's a buy here. There's a sell over there. So, but this is on the 1 minute, guys. Hey, nice buy and sell. Well, not too bad. Very nice buy. You see, so yeah, you need to put stop loss on break even because from here to here is only $40. But this is the 1 minute, so yeah. And then it gave us a sell over here, so a bit of a drawdown. This is the 1 minute. Yeah, but then you get trades daily, like every day you'll get. Yeah, like look at today. Look at gold dropping, guys. Oh, stocks open, shit. It's 3:30. So today it actually gave the sell here as well. That's why I took the sell with a bull trap. And then it gave a buy here as well. So, but remember, 1 minute is scalping. It's in and out. All right. So, what's happening? Ah, fuck. Okay. Still nothing. You can do this on your cell phone as well. MetaTrader 5 on your cell phone as well. But yeah, this does have its up and downs. It worked extremely well for a very long time. This was my first strategy I developed about almost 3 years ago. And then it's been kind of like on the shelf for the last year. But I see it's been doing very well again, so I think it's worth teaching again. So I only use it on the higher time frames, and then you can like 15 minutes. Then you know you're gonna be in the trade for a while. You know, if you put on the 1 hour, you're gonna be a long time in the trade. But the higher the time frame, the less entries there are, but the better. Like you saw in the 15 minute, 11 entries given, and all 11 was very nice profit on gold on the 15-minute time frame. Hey! Hey! We're seeing a change in color. Come on, man. How far are we going to go up before coming down? Let's see. Nee, Raptor, moenie dit doen nie, want hy gaan nie altyd tot die ander kant toe nie. Nee, gebruik dit en maak 'n fucking geldjie. Baie potent. Ek het dit vir synthetics gedevelop. Seker is amper 3 jaar terug. Dit was my heel eerste ding wat ek ontwikkel het. En het baie goed gedoen. Jessie. Toe sien ek hy werk goed op financials en toe Trump inkom, toe sukkel hy bietjie. En toe fucking klap hy weer. Hierdie laaste tyd is hy weer sharp. And do you guys want to know the best part about it? Is you cannot code this into a bot. You can't code this exact thing into a bot. You have to, there's different ways. You must, it's yeah. I got to it with a mathematical equation. We use other things to mimic this and then code that to get it to for a bot to buy here and sell here. We actually have this bot. It's somewhere in in our vault. We actually have this bot. But you can't, it's physically impossible to code it like this with a MACD. You can't say when the MACD touches the RSI here, it must buy. You can't. You need to use other indicators to mimic this image and use those values to code and get the same results. Pretty cool. Guys, I don't think we're going to see a proper break. I think we just call it, let it do its thing and whatnot. I think we just call it. I have been trying to get a trade from the indicator. I don't know which indicator, Good Life. But what do you mean? If you are speaking about the MSG, there was one this morning. A breakout, pullback, So it even came back middle and then went for the high. So which indicator are you talking about? And if you guys will look why this high was created, look at yesterday's MSG3 block. It broke out to the top side, came to low risk entry. Didn't go for stop losses, low risk entry, and went all the way for it. And then turned and then formed this area. But it is the trick. I won't say it's tricky. It's easy to find trades. It's not hard at all. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck. Yes, definitely good life. You must, I think, come and join Sundays, and also Raptor goes live every night at 7, I think. You can follow Raptor on YouTube. He goes live every night at 7, showing for the day what happened. Guys, the people are here for my car. I must just help them. Fucking battery died again. And someone came to borrow my Mustang, so just need them to do this. They are here. I told you guys it's gonna sell. Hey, Habibi. It triggered my sell order. I told you guys it's gonna sell. Habibi, come to Dubai. Man, now it must just go to this level for us. Whoa! Come on, drop more, little one. Habibi, come to Kimberley. Hey. Pablo, kom. Kom, seun. Pablo, kom. Sit wees, né? Jy moet sit wees. Ha? Check daar. Check wat in die goud, ou Pablootjie. Checka. Fucking vir jou vat ek pet shop toe en kies jy net wat kies. Ja. En dis 'n support blok binne in ons FIP se golden zone blok. Tot daar en dan af asseblief. Bid vir wat en nou vandag die. Jy het ek iets gemis.
trap is
Wat is fout geweest?
batterie pap.
Maar hoe?
Een nieuwe batterie is zo goed af.
Ja.
Ik doe hem afwas. Wat wil je?
Wat het hy nou gedoen?
Is dit 'n ander batterie in ons?
Okay.
Hy moet dus kwai.
Ah? Dis 'n baby. Hy's baie liefdevol. Baie dankie, kom maar. Nee, hy gaan nie. Hy sal nie, as 'n baby. Dankie julle. Yes. Alright, dankie. Ek waardeer dat julle uitgekom het. Lekker dag. Okay, we are in our zone. Now we want to see it reject here and come down. I don't know if you have seen this part. You need to be affiliated to see it. The T1 Traders Hub analysis. If you click on it, you see these are all the trades. So there's one for Bitcoin. Click on it, and it gives you the trade idea. Hierdie is by 476 as jy praat van die. So ja, I'm in. Ek het hom mooi gevat op die blokkie daar. Hy gaan seker nog opgaan, maar eerste rejection wat ons sien hierso. So ja, ek is in. En dan target ons hierna toe en dan hopelik kan ons tot hier onder kom. Ek sal graag vir baie. Ek het pending buy orders hier onder op 4720. So ek het in hierdie area het ek buy orders. Ek hoop maar hy val tot daar. Sien julle, ek het my eerste sel in hierso. Nou. Dis 'n een kleintjie. Ek sal maar kyk want nou gaan hy tot daarbo. Sal maar net sien. Maar my stoploss is net hierbo. My stoploss is hierbo die level. So ja. We shall see. O, en by the way, wie die cheat code? Die cheat code ek julle gewys het, kykie. Op die 1 minute. Hy het geval tot die lyntjie en kyk waar is dit en dan buy. En nou sien ek die in die area. So wie ook al die cheat code dopgehou het op die 1 minute, kykie. Pretty nice. Boys, hover hom nicely, monitor hom nicely. Julle kan binnekort stoploss break even toe sit as julle wil. Ek gaan 'n bietjie los. Ek moet net gou 'n belangrike oproep maak. Ek is nou weer terug met julle. Righty guys, this is where you want to secure some profit and move your stop loss to break even. It's a nice 140 pip move. Easy money. Patience, boys. See. Patience is the key to everything in life. Nice. Are you guys in? Have you guys made some money? Easy break. Went back to our golden zone, and not just the golden zone, also the new resistance. So I'm securing profits. It's easy money. Have you guys made some bucks? Who was it that said he hasn't made money? Good life. Did you take this trade with us now? I've secured profits. I have to go, guys. I have to go. But good luck with your trade, and may it fall even more for you. Always take profits. I will see you guys later. Took TP. Yes, well played. Nice, Vanilla. Nice. We waited long for this trade, but it happened. It presented ourselves. Imagine if I kept my cells that I had on the top, and I knew this fucking thing was going down. But no. But anyway, gave us again a chance to enter the cell, and we made some dough. Francois, why did you miss the entry? Why? Love you guys.